Indulge in the nourishing benefits of the ZOYA Naked Manicure Hydrating Hand and Body Serum, designed to revitalize and moisturize your skin, leaving it feeling silky smooth and rejuvenated. Hydrate and heal dry skin. Hand and body system. Did you know that the skin's lipid barrier is the last line of defense in preventing moisture loss? Think of it as a breathable saran wrap for skin. As we age, our lipid barrier thins and becomes less effective and patchy. You will never have perfect skin if the lipid barrier is damaged. Rebuilding the lipid barrier is key. The experts at ZOYA created the Naked Manicure Treatment System to deeply deliver exactly what skin needs before locking it in beneath a fortified lipid barrier, resulting in fresher, newer, brighter-looking skin instantly. This product is currently priced $12. Here we invite you to follow the review from Fi Reviewer channel. Instantly improve the appearance of skin with the unique formula of moisture-imparting hyaluronic acid and powerful antioxidants. The unique spray serum quickly absorbs and provides long-lasting results. Continued use will reduce dryness, increase brightness, and reveal a more even skin tone. Follow with healing dry skin hand and body cream to lock in moisture. Instructions. Spray over hands, body or feet and gently massage. See immediate results. Optional, use Naked Manicure Healing Dry Skin Hand and Body Cream to help lock in moisture. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your personal opinion right below this video.